In this video, I am going to show you how to delete a Facebook page. Please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. Let's get started. First, open a Facebook application and make sure that you're logged into your Facebook page. As you can see, I am logged into my Facebook page. Next, tap on the gear icon in the upper right corner of screen to access your settings and privacy. Scroll down until you found the Your Information section. From here, select Access and Control. Now you will see the setting for deactivation and deletion. Tap on that. You will have two options: deactivate your page, which is temporary, or delete your page, which is permanent. Since we want to delete our page, tap on Delete Page. Remember, deleting your page will be permanent. Once you delete this Facebook account, you want to be able to retrieve any content or information you've shared on Facebook. Simple tap Continue and you are all set. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.